This is a long overdue update video. As you can see, my truck is still missing, and I've decided not to use my Jeep in place of my truck because that is my home away from home, and I did scratch it up when I was using it for dumpster diving before, both interior and exterior. I don't want to do that again because I do need that for camping and traveling and other purposes. So the truck is still at my buddy's place. We've got a electronics issue that needs to be taken care of, and he needs to find a diagram for that, but it shouldn't be too much longer from what I understand. In the meantime, I've been focusing on cleaning up my scrap. This here is Pepper. He is a three-legged and now one-eyed cat. Unfortunately, we had to remove his eye a few weeks ago, but it's healing up good. We adopted him with 3 legs, so he's making do. That eye wasn't real good in the first place. I don't think he misses it too much, but he's the outside cat, or one of them, on a leash. He actually does stay on a leash. Nooner, though, he doesn't have a leash, and he's doing really well. So is Oscar inside, but Nooner needs to lose some of this heavy coat because this North Carolina heat is already affecting him. Oh, bud. Letting him in the house on occasion just to sniff around. So we'll see how that goes. There's his house that he stays in. Doesn't stay in that too much with the heat, but I have taken out a lot of the blankets just so it is cooler in there, but usually he lays underneath the chairs. So I've decided I will do a video about my scrap area back here. I'll show you kind of why it looks the way that it does and how this all works out. I'll also show, all the stuff that I accumulated for free versus having to pay for. As you can see, I used all the rubber mats that I had, and I've still got some more sorting to do back there. But for the most part, I have tackled a lot of the scrap that I have. And then I'll also probably do another video on all the stuff that I have accumulated and used for free out of the dumpsters, because I thought that might be kind of interesting, like building that cow house for free, the bird feeder station over there. We've got the wagon over there that I put together from scrap, and some other little things around the yard that we've been able to utilize. So we'll have a couple of videos coming up, and then hopefully soon after that I'll have my truck back and I can get back to dumpster diving, which is why everybody watches this channel, I think. So in the meantime, I appreciate you watching. I appreciate all the comments and the concern about where I've been. I apologize for the late video and the late update, but that's where I'm at right now. So thank you again for watching. I appreciate it, and I will talk to you later.